Hello, Pentecostal Hairstyles. I'm Cinthia Hernandez, and I'm about to do my favorite hairdo, which I posted a picture of it, and some of you liked it and would like to have a quick tutorial of how I did it. So here we go. You can do it on the side you prefer. I like it on this side. You just gotta pull it all the way on the back, like I did. And you can start on top. This is gonna start in the center. Center. This is like a center side braid, or I don't know how you want to call it, but kind of starts in the center. Center. And you're gonna start dividing for a basic French braid. Make sure you run your fingers all the way down to your hair. My hair is pretty long, so make sure you go all the way down. You don't want to stop right here and make your braid, and then it's gonna be all tangled down here, and it's not fun. All right. So here's our braid. You can start feeding our braid. You can take big chunks of hair because it needs to show right in the middle. If it's small, if it's a tiny braid, you're not going to be able to see it, or nobody's going to be able to see it, to see the detail right on the side. Keep feeding. Let me run my fingers because adding hair. I do have my channel of hair tutorials. You can find me under Cinthia Hernandez with the CI Cinthia, because there's a lot of CY Cinthia, so but I'm CI Cinthia. That will help you a lot to find me. There's a lot of Cinthias with the CY. We're coming more down. You see the braid. Now you can see my face. See the braid. And what we have left, you're going to bring it to the front of the braid. And we are fitting the braid only from this side, since we only have hair on this side. One more time. Let's do one more. Just take the whole thing. See, it's kind of, it falls. There's different things that you can do down here, but I can do just normal all the way down. The detail in this braid is right here. You can always pull it so it can show a little more, but it's nice. And then you can always put a detail on this side of grabbing hair, like a little pin. So I'm down here. Remember, normal braid, normal French braid. And I'll show you what I do in my ends. Right now it's all, it looks bushy and dry because I just washed it, so it's very clean. I'm using a very good, a shampoo that I really like. I'm liking it right now. It's called Biotin and Collagen. I bought it at Myers. Remember I told you I have a channel on YouTube. You can always look it up, Cinthia Hernandez. So I'm gonna tie it. Let me come close. Tie it as a normal. Tight. You can always do two things. I'll show you one first. You can do this like a loop. Okay, let me get my bobby pins. I need at least 2 small bobby pins for the ends. When it's not ball, like I'll show you, it's 2 things. But for this one, we're gonna use small bobby pins. Okay, so it's here. We have our loop, and you can just go around. And then where you end is the end of your hair. And there you go. It's good. So I do another a different thing in my ends too. It's a knot. So let me undo this. So okay. So it's tight. Tight. Okay, here we go. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go like a knot, like I'm tying a bag, or I'm tying and I do have a knot. It shows the elastic band, but I can cover it with the hair. So I got it like this, and you're just gonna go around. That's it. Put your bobby pin. And there you got it. So you can always decorate your braid. I like to decorate it. I can do it from top, but since here's the detail, I like to do it down here. So I have detail down here too. So I'm gonna bring some of my things that we can put some pins. I'll show you how. All right, so we can do some pearls. Look, these are very cute. And there are different sizes. I got a very tiny one, medium, small, and the very big one. So it depends how, if you want to go a scale down from top, bottom, top. However you like to do it. I like to go big to small, since the braid is bigger on this side. So then it goes the medium one. I don't like this one, how it goes more here. There we go. There. I got my other one. And we have room, right? Since we have long hair. And then the very little one, you can leave it here. And here we have a decorated braid. I also have, they're like diamonds, but they're not diamonds, of course. It's just, but this is, it's good. I like it. If you have any questions, write me. Search my channel, Cinthia Hernandez, and I do hair tutorials. Send me links, ask me questions, whatever hairdo you think you would like to try in your hair and you want me to try it first, and I can show you how to do it in your hair. So all right, we keep in touch. God bless you.